while doing the short film, she also guided me kasi hindi naman ako artista. I'm a host. So, syempre siya matagal na siyang artist, diba? So, yun, tinutulungan niya rin ako. Nakakatuwa. Parang for me, ano yun, one of the unforgettable moments. When kami mag-meet ulit, I think for Miss Grand Thailand. Gusto ko nandun ako. Kasi diba nandun ako nung nagpasa siya ng Corona for Miss Grand Phuket. So gusto ko nandun din ako pag magpasa siya sa Miss Grand Thailand. Kahit hindi ako invite. Maghahanap ako ng promo. Charot. Pero invited daw ako. Charot ko lang kayo. Kabalo ka magbisaya, kabalo po, gamay ra. Tapos yung alarma with bell, I'm so sorry. Hindi kasi namin siya magawa nun dahil kakakain lang niya. Nagkaon ka na, love. Do you speak Thai? Bok Noi? Nit Noi? Saan galing yung Bok Noi? Pili ko tuloy Bok Nat. Bok Nat yan. Nit Noi. Nit Noi. Chai. Kapunaka. Ang bibilis, hindi ko mabasa. Wala. Chandra Kun. I can't wait to be back there. And eat mukata. I need to do some diet so I can eat a lot of mukata. Sawadee ka. So what's the update for Janita? What's my skincare? Hanapin sa aking yellow basket. Char. In love na in love silang dalawa. Oh, I want to eat mukata together with Belma family in Thailand.
Oh, thank you, Kevin.
I have pimple. Laki sa noo. Ako ang nagturo kay Bel mag-Sharon. Balutin mo ako. How are you guys? Ang bilis ng comments. Get well soon, baby. Tap. Ang cute naman yun. Thank you so much, Kevin. Thank you, Nika. Okay. So, marami pa akong hindi nababasa. Actually, most of the letters na binigay sa akin ng fanmeet, hindi ko pa nababasa. Ang ginawa ko pa lang ay mag-unboxing. Dahil nga, nilanggam na yung iba at yung iba nasira. Hindi ko alam na may mangga. I'm sorry, son. So, dito sa trip ko, dinala ko itong mga letters na to. And, oh, thank you! And I think, uy, sakto. Nika, is this you? From Emabel PH. Unang bunot. Can I read it here? Can I read it? Okay. Pumayag. Gusto ko magtatanong muna ako kasi baka mamaya too personal. Hindi pwede ma-share. Medyo mahaba ha. 2 pages. Okay. Dear Charo. Charot. Ito. Dear MGI 2025 Emma Tiklao, from the moment I first saw your journey, your elegance on stage, your sincerity in every word, and the warmth you radiate beyond the spotlight, I was deeply moved. You carry yourself with such grace and humility, yet you shine with a strength that inspires people to believe in their own lives. This diamond painting was created with that very inspiration in mind. Every tiny gem represents the countless moments you've touched the lives of others. Each sparkle a reflection of love, kindness, and brilliance that you share so effortlessly. As I worked on it, piece by piece, I couldn't help but think of how much beauty there is in patience, passion, and purpose, qualities you embody so perfectly. When I learned that you once gifted this kind of artwork to others, specifically when you worked on closed-door interview with the judges, that gesture resonated deeply with me. It showed how selfless and giving you are, how your light doesn't shine for yourself but for everyone. So this time, I wanted to give you the same gift as a token of admiration, appreciation, and heartfelt gratitude. And now, congratulations on your extraordinary win as back-to-back MGI. It is a true testament to your dedication, resilience, and unshakable spirit. You've proven once again that beauty with purpose can change lives, and that genuine kindness always finds its way back to the heart of the world. May this painting remind you of how loved, respected, and cherished you are. You've inspired countless people, not only through your beauty and achievements, but through your heart, resilience, and authenticity. I hope this piece brings you joy and serve as a gentle reminder of the positivity you spread wherever you go. With all my admiration and lots of love, Amabel PH, Nika. P.S. This is supposed to be your homecoming and advanced birthday gift, but I never had a chance to give it to you, so I'm giving it in advance. Thank you, Nika. This is so sweet. Actually, ang mahilig gumawa ng diamond painting is my mom. Tapos nung nakikita siguro ni Tatang, ng tatay ko na nag-enjoy si mama, siya na rin gumagawa. Tapos, no, during Miss Grand, just a little story lang, background story why I chose that. Laging sinasabi na ang mga regalo ng mga Pinay sa judges during closed door ay dried mangoes. Dahil daw, swerte yun. Parang every time na magre-regalo or magdadala ng dried mangoes ang Pinay, nagpe-place daw. And I really wanna place. I really wanna win. So, kahit gabi na, naghahanap yung team ko nun ng dried mangoes. Marami namang dried mangoes, pero iba yung from the Philippines. Wala silang makita na from the Philippines. So, sabi ko, hala, paano kaya yun? Eh, yung dala ko, pulveron, nagawa ni Mama personally. And the diamond painting nagawa din ni Mama personally. Sabi ko, okay lang. Sabi ko sa team ko, okay na yun. Kahit na wala ng dried mangoes, ilalaban natin to dito. Kasi this is something personal. And hindi pa ako ganun nakakita talaga ng mga nagbibigay na something too personal. And siguro pag nakita nila, na, pag natikman nila yung pulveron, pag nasabi ko nagawa yun ng mama ko, parang ang sarap sa feeling na maramdaman nila na bit-bit ko yung family ko doon. So, ganun. That's the background. So, at the end, wala talaga siya dun sa... Walang masamang sumunod sa swerte. Pero at the end of the day, your faith is stronger than that. So, yun lang. Next bunot, magbasa ba tayo ulit? Wala, bilis. Okay, may sabi yes. Thank you, Master Emma. I hope that they will be happy. Si Ginita to ha. And hindi nila saktan yung isa't isa. Sana makita nila yung talagang hinahanap ng puso nila sa bawat isa. Yun lang. Basta pinagpipray ko yun na maging happy lang lahat. Next bunot. Uy, I can see red envelope. Happy Chinese New Year. Ay, kanino kaya galing to? Million. Million. A million dreams. Andito ba siya? Wala. Wala si Million. Rak na hapan. I don't know if pwede kong basahin to dito sa live. You think? I think pwede naman. Eto, game. I'm writing this letter kasi I really want to express kung gaano kita na-appreciate as an CE? Is this CE? Student. Sobrang daming schoolworks and activities and minsan nakaka-drain talaga. But watching your TikTok live is the highlight of my day. Kahit pagod ako sa school, seeing your energy and your smile instantly makes me happy. You have this amazing way of connecting with us, and your journey as a beauty queen is so inspiring. You're not just beautiful on the outside, but your heart really shines through the screen. This gift is just a simple token of my appreciation. I hope you like it. It's nothing compared to the joy you give me, but I wanted to send something to make you feel special, just like how you make your followers feel. Please keep shining and being the queen that you are. Always remember that I'm here, along with other fans, supporting you all the way. Stay humble and keep inspiring others. Million. Thank you so much. Sobra ko kayong na-appreciate. Kung paano nyo ako na-appreciate, sobra ko kayong na-appreciate kasi hindi talaga ako sanay sa ganito. Pero natutuwa ako kapag may nalalaman ako na nakaka-inspire pala ako through sharing my stories, through just talking to you. Wala lang, parang ang sarap pala sa feeling. Next, iyak na naman ng juice, ha? Okay, ano muna tayo? Sagot muna tayo ng mga questions. May plano ba daw ako magkaanak? Of course! I want to have my own family. I actually want twins. Girl and boy. Twins sila pero girl tas boy. Ang bibilis ng chat, di ko mabasa. Six, seven. Sino nagturo kay Bell nun? I miss you all. Pasensya na hindi ako madalas mag-live. Work, work, work ang inyong Emma Mary Tiglao. Wala bang live sa kanila? Si Joy ang nagturo. Walang live sa kanila. Tulog na sila. In a million dreams, in a world we're gonna make. Gisingin lahat. Nag-live na kasi kanina si Belle eh. Totoo ba? Sabi niya. Hindi ba kami nagkwakwentuhan about that? Si Anita live? Gisingin ang mga Diyosa. Walang matutulog sa pamilyang to. Ano na kwento niya? Alam, bilis. Hala, hindi ko na mabasa lahat. I love you all. Na letrang B si Gigi. Anong ginawa ni Gigi? Nagletrang B, bingo din ba? Charot. Sila na? Totoo nga. No. Hindi pa daw. Wala pa. Oh, I miss BM family Thailand. I can't wait to see you and eat mukata. You promise me you will treat me mukata. Antok na ang Diyosa. Nag-live lang ako kasi ang dami ko nababasa sa Instagram na miss na daw nila ako. So sabi ko, sige. Yung naging work ko kasi ngayon, halos full day talaga siya. So, medyo kailangan talaga ng rest. Inantok ang juice. Magbasa pa tayo ulit. One last. What you think? Live si Chelsea. Two more. Oh, we will treat you mukata. You promise?